Hello, this video is to show you what I've been up to today. I've been getting the laptop that's to be used for the CNC machine ready today. That's come along okay. I've now got a wireless network card on it so that I can transfer files from the CAD machine to this machine to then be translated into G-code to run the CNC machine. I have my 24 volt power supplies rated at 14.6 amps apiece. Those are for running the stepper motors. This is the original controller board which I was going to use, which is 4 axis, but I found that to not be a very good board, so that has been ditched basically. That is to be replaced with a Xylotech 4 axis stepper controller, which is currently on its way to me. Here at the back we have the couple 240 volt relays that I'm going to be using for switching a bench lamp on and things like that. I've got my 5-pin sockets. I'm going to be putting these ends on the cables to my stepper motors for the various different axes. Got my micro switches there, which will be used for the end stops. This will be okay as an emergency stop. I'll put a few of these about, I think, on the main cabinet. I've got a key lock so that I can disable the machine so that people can't mess with it. I have an iPack board which will allow me to input to the machine without a keyboard. I can connect specific buttons to that, etc. But also I'm going to add the ability so that I can control the machine via remote control if I wish to. So say I want to take the bed backwards or towards me, left, right, take the x-axis up and down, etc. I'll be able to program these buttons to suit what I wish, or have it so I can punch in an amount and then hit enter for change the value of things. Got my various tools for the CNC machine laid out. Stop and start button, which will begin on the box. My protective conduit. I might put a pendant on for the Z-axis up and down, not sure yet. Here's my milling machine, which will be CNC controlled. As I say, just waiting for the controller. All my steppers are installed. My handles. Now fitted my handles to the different axes as well. The A-axis, which will be my rotary table, I'm yet to switch the handle over to the stepper motor, so that's still to be done. Got my various milling bits, end mills, and my various different clamps. So pretty much ready now. But it'll be much better once the cabinet is built that this will be going, and there'll be a cabinet across there that the machine will sit inside of, which will be ventilated and vacuumed, and then there'll be an area next to it for the power supplies and for the laptop which controls the machine. Okay, thanks for watching this video.